Hi. Thanks for joining us for the Tutorial 8 of SmartMaker Advanced Function. In the previous tutorials, we have created application using basic functions of atoms. From today's and the following tutorials, we will take a deep dive into atoms' various properties and functions. When you open a new form to create application, you can find atoms on the left side of SmartMaker solution. Atoms are essential components or parts for creating application and are categorized into groups such as design tools, data input tools, scroll setup tools. You can click each group to view various atoms in the group. Let's select a rectangle atom from design tools. Like Office programs drawing tools, atoms can be freely drawn, resized, and arranged on the form. Although atoms perform as a basic design element in an app program, at the same time, atoms have internal processing functions as program units. So, by simply manipulating atoms to design your app's features and interface, you can create a fully functional program without a single line of coding. In SmartMaker authoring solution, atoms play the role of app building blocks or universal components that can be applied for any type of app program. And even programs that require complex functionality or sophisticated control can be easily created with atoms. SmartMaker's atoms are consisted in the groups of design tools, data input tools, scroll setup tools, data search tools, event setup tools, office management, insert object tools, and smart language tools. Let's find out more about the atoms in each group and the functions each atom can perform in an app program. First of all, let's take a look at design tools atoms. In general, the screen of an app program is often composed of design elements like various shapes or images. The atoms that draw the form, format template and display the interface screen belong to this design tools group. These design tools atoms do not perform operations or processing functions in the program, but act as a format or background, and can be used to create intuitive and appealing user interface. Line or diagonal atom can be used to separate areas or draw forms. You can freely design the length and angle, and change the color of the line through the toolbar at the top. Next, rectangle, oval, and rounded rectangle atoms are used to draw the title or item name of a program. After drawing the figure, press F2 key or double-click to enter the text in the figure. In addition, by using the atom editing tools on the top, you can change the color of line and shape, as well as the font, color, size of the characters entered in the shape. Next, picture is an atom used when you want to statically display an image such as a photo, a logo, or an illustration on the screen. Tab View atom is a design element for integrating more than one views on a single app screen. You can use Tab View when a screen contains a lot of items, or if they belong in different categories to organize them into logical views. We will draw an oval atom in Tab 1, and click in Tab 2 to draw an rectangle atom. Tab View atom provides the function to divide the screen like this. Finally, let's draw a table by clicking on Table atom. By default, a table consists of 3 rows and columns, but you can easily insert or delete them. Although it looks similar to the table provided in Word program, in SmartMaker, each cell is recognized as a unique object and can be configured individually by specifying a cell as an atom such as rectangle and data input. Once you have designed the screen format of your program, you need to add the fields where the users can input data or data retrieved from other sources displayed. Various types of data such as characters, numbers, images, and voices can be entered and displayed by using atoms from data input tools. Data input atom is one of the most used atoms when designing an app program. Data input atom not only allows users to enter data in the form of characters or numbers, but also display data received from other source such as a database. I'll press the Run button in the upper left corner and enter data to the field. In Data Input atom, you can enter alphanumeric data. Using Data Input Atom, you can enter most types data, but for data in a specific format, such as dates and times, you can also use Date Picker Atom. Select a Date Picker Atom and draw it. You can see today's date automatically displayed. Let's check by switching to Run mode. If you click on Date Picker Atom, you can see the familiar Date Picker pop-up that you see on smartphones. Next, Image Input Atom is used for adding various images into the database or retrieving the stored data to display it on the screen. For example, using Image Input Atom, you can provide a function for adding picture of food or inventory item. And if you select Speech Processing Atom and draw it on the screen, a cassette tape icon will appear. Speech Processing Atom has the function to record sound data such as voice and music into the smartphone's built-in microphone, and can also play the sound data retrieved from the database. The next is Join Pop-up Atom. Pop-up means a new window that pops up to display information on the app screen. When Join Pop-up is configured by grouping data input items such as Data Input and Date Picker, a new window, a pop-up window, is displayed for selecting and entering data. You can load and display the data already stored in the database, or display the data that you custom defined. Data Input, Date Picker, Image Input, and Speech Processing are atoms that input and process various types of data, and Join Pop-up and Combo boxes support selecting and entering predefined data. Next, Radio button and checkbox atoms can be configured to specify input values by selecting predefined items. First, select and draw a radio button atom, and then copy 2 more to add a total of 3 radio buttons. Let's set the values for users to choose as high, medium, or low. As you can see, Radio button allows selecting only one value from the options. Detailed look at fine-tuning the atom style properties can be found in Tutorial 12. Likewise, in Checkbox, users can enter data by selecting items. However, Checkbox allows selecting multiple items. Next, in Scroll Setup Tools, you can find Join Scroll and Row Number Atom. Atoms in Scroll Setup Tool support data input in a list format. Let's add data field in the scroll with Row Number Atom. By adding Row Number Atom inside Join Scroll, you can display row number for each row to easily identify row data in a list. If you click Run icon to switch to Run mode, the rows containing data to be processed are implemented and can be scrolled up and down. In short, Join Scroll Atom is used for entering and processing related data in a list format. Please join us in the next tutorial to learn more about various atoms in SmartMaker.